Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful pink crochet band. It's simple and fun, perfect for beginners. Materials needed. First, let's gather our materials. You will need a crochet hook, soft pink yarn, scissors, a yarn needle. That's all we need to get started. Step number 1. Making a slip knot. Close up of hands making a slip knot. To begin, make a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers and pull through to make a loop. Slide your hook into the loop and tighten it gently. Step number 2. Chain stitch. Close up of hands creating chain stitches. Now let's chain 10 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Now let's 10 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Keep going until you have 10 chains. Step number 3. Single crochet. Turn your work and start single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Repeat this across the row. Step number 4. Continue crocheting rows. Continue making rows of single crochet until the band reaches the length you want. This might be about 20 rows, but you can adjust to fit your wrist. Step number 5. Finishing the band. Close up of hands, cutting the yarn and weaving in ends. When you are happy with the length, cut the yarn, leaving a tail. Pull the tail through the last loop to fasten off. Use a yarn needle to weave in the ends neatly. Step number 6. Adding a button. For a nice finish, sew a button onto one end of the band. On the other hand, make a loop with yarn to close around the button. Thanks for watching.